Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Hoteon motion sensor light. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the light itself, Hoteon branding on the top, and motion sensor light description on the bottom. The left hand side of the package has an illustration of a person in motion to signify that the light switches on using motion. On the right of that illustration, we have another illustration that shows which kind of batteries are utilized to power this light. The batteries utilized are the AAA kind and it uses three of them. On the right hand side of the package, we have the two light options and the cold light version is ticked, which means that we have that one. There's a transparency QR code on the top to verify if the product is genuine or not, and there's another barcode on the bottom. On the back, we have some illustrations on the different places in which this light can be placed. For example, aisles, corridors, bedrooms, storerooms, etc. It can also be used while fishing at night, barbecues, and on building sites. On the bottom left, we have a QR code that enables you to extend the warranty, but we recommend that you consult the Amazon product page for all the relevant information regarding the warranty first. Right in the middle, we have some importing and manufacturing information, and right on the bottom, we have the details for the customer care. That's about it in terms of what is on the outside of the package, so let's get into it now. On the inside, we get some reading material in the form of a quick start guide. This can help you install the light correctly. There are a number of ways in which this light can be installed. First up is this double-sided sticky tape, and this can be stuck on in any smooth surface and the light can be stuck onto the tape. Next up, we have a couple of metallic coins with sticky surfaces on one of their sides. This can be used to and the light has a magnet underneath it, so it can stick onto the coins. We also get a lanyard. It's approximately 6.5 inches from end to end, and this can be used to hang the light if required. And we also have a couple of screws for a different kind of installation. Coming to the light itself, we can see that it is pure majorly white in color. The magnet, as we displayed earlier, is under the light, and there is a indicator on how you can open it up to install the batteries. There are arrows that mark the open and closing rotations. So let's open it up and check it out. As you can see, it requires 3 AAA batteries. They are not included in the box though. And this is what the light looks like when we add the batteries to it. There seem to be 6 LED lights inside it, and the sensor might be somewhere in the middle. The place where the light shines out of has a matte-like finish, while the rest of it has a glossy white finish. So let's see how we can install the lanyard. All we need to do is put it through the hole on the top and loop it around it. Now we can hang this light up wherever you might want it to be. So this was the unboxing of the Hoteon motion sensor light. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.